Hi, welcome to the Espresso, your daily shot of Chinese words with Catherine Xiang. I'm Catherine Xiang. 大家好，欢迎来到我的频道The Espresso。在这个频道呢，我们看字和词之间的关系。现在呢，我们是在介绍动物龙跟龙相关的词语的第2集。So currently we are on the second episode talking about all the Chinese idioms and words to do with the Chinese character dragon, 龙。那么今天呢，我们要看3个成语。今天这3个成语呢，都是可以用来祝福的话。The 3 idioms that I will introduce today, they are very useful. They tend to be greetings and words that you can use to send best wishes to different people. 那么我们先来看一下它们是哪3个词呢？第一个是龙马精神，龙马精神。第二个呢是龙凤呈祥，龙凤呈祥。最后一个呢是龙腾虎跃，龙腾虎跃。Yes, as you might have noticed, they all have actually combination with another animal. So 龙马精神，龙马精神 literally dragon horse spirit. What does that mean? Dragon horse spirit. 然后呢，龙凤呈祥，龙凤呈祥 Dragon phoenix and bringing good luck. Dragon phoenix together, bringing good luck. And the final one, 龙腾虎跃，龙腾虎跃 So the dragon flies and the tiger jumps or the tiger leaps. What does that mean? What kind of situation or what kind of things we want to describe with that expression? 好的，那我们就一起来看一下吧。首先我们先来看一下龙马精神，龙马精神。我们来看一下龙马精神的汉字怎么写。时候，特别是龙年或者是马年的时候，我们会用的特别的多。So this word, of course, it's a very typical New Year's greeting because it's indicating you have the full energy as dragon or horse throughout the year. So whenever it's the year of the dragon or the year of the horse, people tend to use that. 祝新年快乐，龙马精神。That's a very typical way of sending New Year's greetings for that. So 再来一遍，祝新年快乐，龙马精神。Okay, so this is about 龙马精神。Now let's have a look at 龙凤呈祥，龙凤呈祥。The wording is the dragon and the phoenix together. So typically, as we can imagine, this is to wish a couple a very happy life. We talk about dragon, it's to simplify the power and the strength of emperor in the Chinese history. So what is equivalent of the female version then? That's phoenix. So at the Chinese ancient, emperor's wedding, they will have this sign of dragon and phoenix together to indicate a happy marriage and happy life. Talking about the idiom itself, it actually has a very nice story. 为什么我们会说龙凤呈祥 So where is idea coming from? That is to wish people a very happy marriage and very nice life together. This is actually there's one story about Qin Mu Gong. He has a daughter who was very pretty and always liked music. So when she was very, very little, she started to play this music instrument called shen. And because she loved it and she was so good at it, her father gave her this jade shen, the music instrument made of jade, very precious. And she grew up with it and she was really, really good at it. And then when she was get to the age when meant to get married, father wanted to actually give her a very rich husband or marry her to a very rich husband. And she rejected that. She said, no, I'm so into music. I'm not gonna marry anyone who doesn't know a thing about music. And then Qin Mu Gong decided, okay, my daughter is very stubborn but I love her so much, let's just not marry her to someone that clearly she wouldn't get along with. And then one day, when the daughter was playing her jade shen, very far away, people hear there's another instrument called xiao, and it was echoing in the background. So the sound of shen and the sound of xiao merged, and it was such beautiful combination. And then the daughter was like, oh, I want to find who's the person playing this xiao so beautifully. So the father tried a lot of effort and finally managed to find the guy who plays xiao so well. And then the daughter met the guy and love for the first sight. So they fall in love and then they play the music together. So one plays shen, the other plays xiao. And because it was so beautiful, it really attracted the dragon as well as the phoenix. Both came to listen to their music. And it talked about one day, they decided to go fly away with the dragon and the phoenix, and then they disappear. And that's the story about the original 龙凤呈祥, how they actually went to heaven together with the dragon and the phoenix and lived a happy life ever after in the heaven. 所以呢，龙凤呈祥 it's a very useful expression to give people wedding wishes. 所以呢，你可以说祝龙凤呈祥，幸福美满。祝龙凤呈祥，幸福美满。Now the final word we're gonna look at is 龙腾虎跃。龙腾虎跃。The Chinese characters are a little bit complex, so first let's have a look how the Chinese characters are written in this idiom. Leaping, and what can that mean? That means there's people who are, a scene of very full of energy and lots going on. Usually we use it a lot to describe, let's say, athletes in the sport field because people are very active doing different things. Also, you could use it to describe someone's career or someone's business because that's another indication of lots going on and there's a lot of positive energy. 所以呢 In the new year, you could use it again as a wish, or when the company start a new, let's say office, a new product, you could use that expression to wish them well. 所以呢，你可以说祝公司的生意龙腾虎跃，蒸蒸日上。祝公司的生意龙腾虎跃，蒸蒸日上。So wish your company's business as if the dragon and tiger being so active together, and then you're not gonna be going up and up every day. OK， 好的，这就是我们今天学的3个成语。龙马精神，龙马精神 describing full of energy. 龙凤呈祥，龙凤呈祥 talking about when couples being together and happy life and happy family life. 最后一个呢，龙腾虎跃，龙腾虎跃 so that is talking about similar in terms of a lot of energy, but it's more about lots going on, lots of positive activities that are happening. 龙腾虎跃。好的，今天我们就到这里，希望你喜欢今天的视频。So much for today, and thank you for watching. I will see you next time. We will continue to learn more idioms with the Chinese character 龙。好的，再见。